Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Arnold press, as you see right here. A full shoulder rotational movement that incorporates the anterior, the medial, and the posterior delt. All three heads of the shoulder. Let's begin. Start empty-handed when you're practicing. Don't go adding weight. Take a look at your delt. Notice that where the hand is where the weight's going to go. It's going to push down on the elbow. As the elbow gets pushed down, you're going to feel the pressure on the shoulder. You don't want that hand in over the shoulder. You want it out over the elbow, just like you see here. Do that with both sides. Have your arms positioned, which should be a 90-degree angle. Now notice you can elevate the traps. This begins the shoulder engagement. As you start to push up and into, you're going to raise the elbows to an extension overhead. This is why we most often refer to this as the overhead press. This is a shoulder pressing movement which you're going to want to master the pattern of movement on. Raise the elbows to their extended position and then lower them back down to feel the deltoid or the shoulder muscle stretch. Going slow here in the video demonstration, you can see, and I want you to practice along with me. Get your hands into position and follow along as you press up. Notice the anterior head of the delt is going to be right in front here, positioning, and as the elbow comes down, it's going to go into a stretch position. From this angle, you can see the medial delt, the top of the shoulder, is going to be pressing up and into a shortened state of contraction. And as I turn around to the back position, you'll see the rear delt here. And this is important. So as you have your hand in line, notice that the arm goes slightly behind the ear. So elbow at the side, 90 degrees, hand stays over elbow, anterior delt. Medial delt will be on the extension. There's your anterior, here's your medial. And then the posterior delt or rear delt will be at the back. That's meant for retraction. So as you bring your elbow back behind your ear, or at least in line with your ear, depending on your shoulder mobility, you're going to notice the rear delt activation. So you'll have all three heads active in this movement, making sure that you've got good balance and leverage. You don't want to strain or damage anything. So this is why we begin with no weight at all. How much weight should you add eventually is going to be dependent upon your strength curve and your progression. If you're getting better with the movement, obviously you'll increase the weight to challenge the muscle. But first off, it's most important to learn the pattern. See the muscle flex here as I pull back into rear delt or external rotation, retraction to the back as I'm bringing my elbow in line with the ear or even slightly behind it. Once you have both, try this out. Both elbows back, and then press up. Come down, pull forward. Now you notice the rear delt activation, which you can see here, is in the retraction or the pulling back of the elbows from the front to the back. Here's where the Arnold press begins, with your palms facing forward on the inside, turning back and pressing up. So now it's time to add weight to the movement. Position them in front, like you see here in the video. The same way we did empty-handed, but now we're just going to put the weight over the elbow. Notice the angle. The weight sits out far enough that it's over the elbow, putting pressure or resistance against the shoulder. Practice the retraction move a few times, where you can feel those rear delts get engaged, starting from the front and pulling the elbows back, keeping that weight over top of the wrist, which is over top of the elbow, nice and straight. Then, after a few practices, pressing up by elevating the elbows, you're going to feel the shoulder, anterior and medial delt come into this. And now you're getting the full Arnold press value. All three heads of the shoulder are getting worked. This is a great exercise to not only increase your shoulder mobility, but to maximize your time. If you want to get the biggest bang for your buck, why not do the Arnold press? You're going to hit all three heads of the shoulder. You're going to build some beautifully sculpted shoulders for you. And of course, your nutrition will control the leanness. So there you have it, folks. Practice your Arnold press for your shoulder development and enjoy doing it correctly and safe. Don't forget, join us here on our channel every week so that you can catch a brand new updated video and turn on your notifications so that you never miss another one. And subscribe to the channel. You'll always be part of our valued family. We appreciate you. Posture up and have an amazing day. We'll see you next time.